The fragility of human life makes sickness inevitable. Medications and hospital bills can be highly expensive. This is one of the reasons why prioritizing our health is a must. Introducing our premium, most advanced and yet affordable product, Elixir Placenta. Get the benefits of stem cell therapy, DNA therapy, and anti-inflammatory therapy all in one capsule. Each soft gel capsule is made with quality and organic materials. It has proven to be successful in cases such as arthritis, multiple sclerosis, heart attack, acute lymphoblastic leukemia, and other chronic diseases. We have interviewed some of our users and these are what they have to say about our wonderful product.
Alam ko na instrument siya ni God para mahila ko.
Hindi na natin kailangan pumunta ng ibang bansa para magpa-inject ng stem cell kasi sa GFox lang, ayan, nabili na lang tayo, di ba? Nandito ako kasi ako yung living testimony ng product.
Sobrang nabago ni Elixir ang buhay ko. Physically, emotionally, mentally, and spiritually. I was so amazed na ganito pala talaga ka-effective ang product na ito.
Pag hindi pa kayo gumamit ng Elixir ngayon, you are missing one half of your life.
Araw-araw, binabago kami ng Elixir. Kaya subukan nito.
Elixir Placenta changed the lives of many people and will continue to provide its benefits for years to come. Thanks to our new technological advancements and 14 high-quality ingredients from 5 different countries, Elixir Placenta has a comprehensive, unique, and effective formula which allows you to enjoy the effects and benefits in one single product. Elixir Placenta, exclusively distributed by